Hey, welcome back to your Precision Data Analytics channel. This evening, this is Thursday. That means it's time for our LifeStrategy Moderate Growth Fund. So let's get started here quickly. Two parts this evening, stock charts and then forecast and a quick review of the returns, okay? So we can start out here, we could start out here looking at our ever popular box plots. Basically speaking, again, these are monthly. And you can see following April here, the you can look at this, and the whiskers are the high and low for the month, and the box represents 50% of the values. But more importantly, it also means the narrower the box, it means the less volatility there is in the price. Okay, and you'll see it down here. Of course, this is weekly. This is weeks for the quarter, and then over here you can see the 20-day moving average, and as always, the closing price above the average is always a good start. Now here you can see, back in April was always a lot of volatility, a lot of big price swings. But look how narrow the two red bands are, the two standard deviation lines. Okay, that means less volatility. Of course, when the blue line's above the green line, that's always a good sign. Also, RSI plot. Again, following the dive in April, it came back up, and it kind of kissed this overbought line a couple times, but for the most part, it's really staying above 50. All right, divergence, convergence. Look at the most recent months. There's a little bit of volatility, a little bit of weaving, bobbing and weaving, but according to the histogram lines, that's not really strong volume, not really strong movement. Dividends, as always in this plot, always a good thing to look at. You can see this is the last month. It was last quarter. It was like 38 cents a share. Okay, so that's part one of your stock. Before I let you go, big favor to ask as always: subscribe, click the like button, share the video with one friend this week. Okay.